Hi, it's Rachel. In this video, we will be reviewing how to edit subgroups. Please note that this can only be done by users that have permission to administer groups. When you first log into the system, you'll be brought to this dashboard. To get to the groups page, you will need to navigate to the account section. To get there, click on Account, then Groups. That will bring you to the groups page. On this page, you will see options to filter through groups by text and include inactive groups in the results. The blue highlighted group is the group that you are currently working in. Once you've found the group you need to work in, click on the name of the group or the View Details button. That will take you to the groups page where you can see an in-depth view of the group's information, subgroups, and more. Our use case today is that I'm an administrator and need to update subgroup settings, deactivate a subgroup, and reactivate a subgroup. I need to update the accounting group's document retention and user experience settings. I can get into the subgroup settings by clicking on the Edit Group pencil button. You will then see the Edit Group pop-up. We will click on the Document Integrity tab to get the document retention settings. Document retention is the number of days until transaction documents will be deleted from the server once a document is set to the completed status. If you keep this blank, the retention setting is forever. If you want all documents to be deleted after 1 year of being completed, set this value to 365. Once we have updated the settings, we will click on the User Experience tab to update the default email template set the group uses. Once we are finished updating the settings of the group, we will click on the Update Group button. Due to internal process changes, IT no longer needs their own subgroup. We will deactivate their subgroup. This action will not delete the subgroup, but make it inactive for users. The deactivated subgroup will still be accessible to users that can administer groups. You can complete this action in two ways, by editing the subgroup and unchecking the Is Active checkbox, or by clicking on the Deactivate Group button. If you use the Deactivate Group button, a prompt will appear asking if you are sure you would like to deactivate the group. You can now see that the IT subgroup is no longer listed in the active groups. Lastly, we need to reactivate the marketing subgroup as they are now ready to use the system for their processes. We need to find the deactivated subgroup by clicking on the Include Inactive checkbox. This will show all deactivated subgroups under the group you are in. You can reactivate a group in two ways, by editing the subgroup and checking the Is Active checkbox, or by clicking on the Activate Group button. You can now see that the marketing subgroup is no longer highlighted in red, marking it as an inactive group. Now that the marketing group is active, we need to review the settings to ensure they are aligned with the company policies. We will click on the subgroup name. This will open a detailed view of the subgroup. We notice that the owner email address needs to be updated, so we will click on the Edit Group button to update the owner email address to the marketing email. To save the changes we made, we will click on the Update Group button. To navigate back to the groups page, click on the group name breadcrumb. This will bring you back to the group's main page. That's our review on how to edit a subgroup. Thank you for watching.